Hi, I must record this now. Dealing with high level of stress deplete your adrenals and causes different kind of illnesses after they are on their way to be depleted. I just want to point out to the chronic fatigue sufferers that adrenal fatigue is part of the picture. Although chronic fatigue syndrome is not adrenal fatigue, it can be a contributing factor, and treating it can be helpful. Now, when we do research, we know that it is difficult to turn the cortisol off. When you have adrenal fatigue, it is extremely difficult to turn the cortisol off. So I did some research and I was told that you can massage your adrenals, but whether you have extra pounds around your waist or not caused by the cortisol. In other words, no matter how skinny you are, it is, well, to my knowledge, impossible to reach your adrenals and massage them. Now I want to say right away that I am not trained in reflexology by any stretch of imagination, but I want to help myself. So I have found the points. I was told by somebody who is using black spruce. I will read their comments to you. Black spruce, it is not a quote of mine, it is a quote of theirs. Black spruce is an essential oil that supports the adrenals. If you don't like my accent and my pronunciation, if you don't like my pronunciation, if you don't like my accent, just don't listen to my videos, okay? Back to the comment. That is not mine. Quote, black spruce is an essential oil that supports the adrenals. Make sure you dilute it properly in oil or lotion, 12 drops per 1 ounce, and then rub it into your feet before bed. It does not have to be applied to the kidney area on your back in order to work. To prove this, rub a clove of garlic on your feet, and in about 15 minutes you will smell it in your breath. Or use sandalwood lotion on your hands, and the next time you pee, your urine will smell like sandalwood because it works on the urinary system, and garlic works on your digestive system. One other tip, don't try to massage your adrenal glands. They are too deep in the body no matter how much fat you have or low fat you have. They are too deep in the body no matter what. Also be aware that things take time. Don't expect an instant reversal of issues, of course not. So, what I did, even though I'm not an expert, and far from it, I am not trained in reflexology, but I want to help myself with adrenal fatigue. is that it identified on a reflexology chart by deduction. Oh, he was talking about the feet, so I went to check reflexology charts about feet and to discover where the adrenal glands point are, parts of your feet are. And I will put it in the video description. It will eventually work, but this is when you want to start when you want to turn off your cortisol, because it's not going to turn off by itself. So that's it for now. Thanks for listening. Hope it does help you, because when you're in extreme situations and it is stressing you a lot, you need to find a way to turn that cortisol off, right? So that's, I think, a first good step towards the right direction. Thank you for listening.